Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the 2024 UP Math Wizard, which is a trigonometry under the category of trigonometry with time limit 90 seconds. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Engineer Carl Erin Aguilar and congratulations Lodi Geek sa pagpasa mo sa engineering ECE board exam tsaka sa ECT, and I hope you all the best, more power sa'yo, and galingan mo lagi Lodi Geeks. Given a triangle XYZ such that 2 sin x plus 4 cosine y equals 5 and 4 sin y plus 2 cosine x equals square root of 7, find the value of sin z. So at first mga idolo, especially for those aspiring math wizards, ang binigay sin z ang hinahanap. Pero ang mga nasa equations natin involving the variables x and y lang, wala yung z. So let us recall that in a triangle, the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? X plus Y plus Z equals 180 degrees. Okay? So, kailangan alam nyo yung identity or the established identity that sine of 180 degrees minus X, mga idolo, tandaan po natin ito is equal to sine of X. So, paano po natin gagawin yan, Sir IJ? So, it follows that sin z, mga Lodi Geeks, ang hinanap natin, di ba, sin z, mga Lodi? So, that is equal to sine of 180 degrees, mga Lodi Geeks. Sorry, mga idol. Wait lang. So, yan. Kung titignan natin, mga idol, yung sin 180 degrees minus x is equal to sine of x. Bakit naging ganyan, Sir IJ? Kasi nga, applying the difference identity for sine, that is sine A cos B, mga Lodi Cakes, minus cos A sine of B. So, ang sine 180, 0. Para lang makita nyo saan ang galing. Cosine 180 degrees is negative 1, negative ng negative. So, that is positive. That follows na yung sine 180 degrees natin minus x is equal to sine of x, mga Lodi Cakes. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ, to get the value of sin z? So, di ba alam naman natin na yung sine of 180 degrees, mga idol, minus x plus y equals sine of x plus y. Tama ba ako, mga idol? Kasi considering na ito yung ano natin, x plus y, x plus y. So, saan po ba ito manggagaling, Sir IJ? So, from this, kasi ang gagawin natin dito, we have z is equal to 180 degrees minus x plus y. So, it follows that this is equivalent to z. Kaya ang hinahanap natin dito is sin x plus y, which is equivalent to, so alam natin na ang sin x plus y is equal to sin cos sin, that's sin x cos y plus cos x sin of y. Okay, sana klaro yun, mga idol, ha? So, yung sin z natin is equal to sin x plus y. Basta, yung sum nila, x, y, and z must be equal to 180 degrees. So, anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So, gawin natin, kunin natin yung dalawang equation. So, we have 2 sin x plus 4 cosine of y equals 5. And ito, arrange natin. Unahin natin si cosine x, mga Lodi. So, you have 2 cosine x plus 4 sine of y equals square root of 7. Anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ, to get sin x plus y, which is equivalent to this? So, gawin natin, square natin both sides. Square natin yung pangalawa. So, for the first one, squaring this, so that is 4 sine squared x, malaking x pala yan, Sir IJ, plus twice the product. So, 2 times 2 times 4, that is equivalent to 16 sine x cos y, plus ang square nito is 16 cosine squared y equals 25. Same thing goes for the second equation. We have 4 cosine squared of x, 2 times 4 times 2, that's 16 cos x sine of y, mga idolo, plus 4 squared, that's 16 sine squared y equals 7. So, ang gawin natin, add natin both equations kasi ang sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. So, that means na 4 plus, magiging 4 times sine squared x plus cosine squared x, which will just give you a value equal to 4. Plus, ito naman, pwede nating i-factor out si 16, mga idolo. That's sine x cos y plus cos x sine of y plus 16 plus 16. So, magiging, hindi siya 16 plus 16 na 32. I-factor out natin si 16, cosine squared y plus sine squared y equals 25 plus 7, that is 32. So, alam natin this is 1, applying the Pythagorean identity. This is also 1. So, 4 plus 16, that's 20. So, we have 16. Ito saan to equal? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. That is equivalent to sin x plus y. Sin of x plus y equals 32 minus 4 plus 16, that's 20. 32 minus 20, mga idolo, that is 12. And then we have sin of x plus y equals 12 over 16, which is equal to 3 over 4. And that is also equivalent to sine of z based from our identity. So, ganun lang po siya, mga Lodi Cakes. In-establish lang ni Sir IJ yung identity ng angles ng triangle na kapag ang sum nila is 180, yung sine ng z is equal to sine of the sum of the two other angles. And in which galing siya dito sa identity na to, mga idolo. Pwede nyo rin i-derive on your own, pero at least kahit paano sana na-refresh ko kayo dito, mga Lodi Cakes. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuport sa channel natin. Sana palagi kayo may natututunan, or if ever man nagkakaroon kayo ng parang na re-refresh kayo dun sa mga past mga topics nyo. And kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na math tutorials natin and engineering related contents. And maraming salamat, mga idol. Kita-kits and God bless. Bye-bye po.